once upon a time there was a king and he used to talk about a lot of things. What were those things? We don't care. What I mean to say is, every time you don't need to care about everything. That's what most of the people do or talk about us कि हर किसी से हर चीज़ से फ़र्क पड़ता है. नहीं, फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. There is a different. It doesn't mean कि you become careless. Like being too careful is not good. Being careless is so utterly bad. What is the best thing for people like us or people like me, I should say? It should be being carefree. That means you should be knowing to keep up that balance. Now see, some disturbance came in between. Abhi, if I am bothering about that, that is called as being too careful or being whatever you call it, but it doesn't matter. It should not bother you. That's what I try to say. कि चीज़ें होंगी, बहुत कुछ आपके हिसाब से नहीं होने वाली. You have to ignore those things, but it doesn't mean you have to ignore everything or you should ignore everything. कुछ चीज़ें मैटर करती हैं, बट आपको फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा व्हाट आर दोज थिंग्स जो मैटर करती हैं. अब जो चीज़ें मैटर करती हैं तो यू नीड टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट देम, बट जो चीज़ें मैटर नहीं करती, इग्नोर देम. दैट्स अ फिलॉसफी आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग and I am really happy with this. I want you also to be equally happy. Now वो happiness कब आएगी? When you understand what you're doing, why you're doing, and क्या outcome क्या है? Like let's say if I'm doing something but there is no outcome with that, isn't it waste of time? Now I don't want you to be wasting your time for anything like that. Be careful, be carefree I should say. जिनको इग्नोर करना है इग्नोर करो, जो काम की चीज़ें हैं focus on that. Yeah, what else I can say? The problem with most of us is, we care about the things that don't actually matter. If something is wrong and I can fix it, let's put in all my heart and let's start fixing it. But if there is something I cannot fix or I cannot do, ignore करने के अलावा और कोई option नहीं है. And if I'm doing something other than ignoring it, I'm wasting my time and effort, and somewhere I'm wasting my energy, and at the end all you will get is nothing but a disappointment. So बचने का एक ही तरीका है, इग्नोर. धूप लग रही है, चश्मा पहन लिया. गर्मी दिख रही है, छाता ओढ़ लिया. बारिश हो रही थी, छाता ओढ़ लिया. रेनकोट पहन लिया. बात खत्म हो गई और मूव ऑन किया. बारिश को क्रिटिसाइज करके कुछ नहीं होने वाला है.